Again, Prizm Draft 35-15. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Giants up top. Packers at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here, and Nessa up top. Jamie Shealy at the bottom. Sort them out. Giants didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. Prizm Draft. We are full. Good luck.
Seat, man.
Yeah, well, didn't know when you were coming back, man. Man, these boxes are not
ain't good for the packs. Packs just go everywhere.
Not friendly. Good luck here, guys. Good luck. Marvin Mims, Hyatt, Saquon, Silver, Michael Pittman. First ink, Nesta Jade Silvera. Nesta on the auto. That is 91 out of 149 on the Nesta Jade Silvera.
Raiders.
Lamar Jackson on the red for the Ravens. I know that one. We don't got to look that one up. We're doing it. Matt Stafford, Red Wave for the Rams. Ed Reed, Trophy Hunting, and an Earl Campbell.
Again, guys, grab your spots through the website, jumboscards.com. A lot of breaks.
Sauce, Silver, DK. Auto, Payne Durham to 199. Payne Durham.
Bucks.
Buccaneers. Tucker Kraft to 249. I believe he's a Packer. 56 out of 249. Tucker Kraft. Josh Downs on the Red Wave. Rookie. I believe Downs is a Colt.
Tucker Kraft was a pack.
Hey, I was right. Ronnie Lott. Cam Newton. Gibbs, Clayton Tune. Tune might be the starter. Nolan Smith on the silver for the Eagles.
Again, guys, take your spots in 3488 Cosmic half case. 6 boxes, half case there.
Corey Sutton on the autograph. Corey Sutton. No idea where he plays for. Jaron Hall to 299. Where'd Jaron get drafted?
Detroit for Sutton.
Jaron Hall. Nice Dan Marino to 199 on the blue.
He got drafted by the Dolphins. Dolphins.
What about Jaron Hall?
Who cares? How you spell it? Jaron or Jared?
Josh Allen Trophy Hunting Blue Ice to 99. That's sweet.
Jaron Hall went to the Vikings.
That's a sweet looking Josh Allen Blue Ice Trophy Hunting.
That is a beaut.
Steve Hoffman.
Buffalo on that one.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Didn't look like the Jags, Josh Allen. Had to make sure.
Just making sure you understood who it was.
Got double auto in this pack. Tay Martin. Tay Martin on the auto.
Tay Martin. 49ers.
Antonio Johnson on the silver. Isaiah Land on the ink. Tucker Kraft again for the Packers on the blue.
Isaiah Land went to the Cowboys, baby.
Kraft to 199. Jordan Addison, nice one for the Vikings to 75.
I'm sorry, Isaiah Land was drafted by the Colts.
Xavier Hutchinson and Devin Achane. Quick recap. Got Addison, Tucker Kraft, Isaiah Land, Tay Martin, Josh Allen to 99. Marino, Hall, Corey Sutton, Nolan Smith, Josh Downs, Tucker Kraft, Peyton Durham, Stafford, Lamar, and Nesta. On the auto, that's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.